YouTube channel, and today we discuss about pronouns. What is meant by pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is take place of noun. We use in every sentence noun. For example, I give you Sita is a good girl. In second sentence, Sita is so beautiful. Both of the sentences we use the name of Sita. But when we use a pronoun in that sentence, we use in first sentence noun, and the other sentences which is related to the first sentence we use pronoun. For example, is given here, Sita is a good girl. She is so beautiful. She is so beautiful is related that first sentence, Sita. Both of their sentences, the subject is same. At that time, when the subject is same, we use the pronoun. The noun is same. At that time, we use pronoun. Use of pronoun. Sita is a good girl. She is so beautiful. Sita, this is a noun, and we use the pronoun she by replacing the Sita. And there are 7 pronouns in the English grammar. When we use the noun at that time, the related of that sentences we use pronoun. Each and every sentences there is a noun and use of pronoun. We use the pronoun in the sentences. There are 7 pronouns in the English grammar. I means in Marathi we say me. You say in Marathi tu. He means to. She means ti. It means te. We means amhi. And they means they. All that 7 pronouns we use here in the sentences. And what is the use of all that pronoun I give you here. Firstly, we see I, that pronoun. I am a girl. I is a pronoun. In the second, we see you are a boy or boys. You is used for a singular and plural also. You are a boy or you are a boys. There is a singular one boy or many boys. At that time we use you, that pronouns in the sentence. In the third we see he. He is a boy. When there is a male or in the sentence, we use he by replacing the noun. There is an example, he is a boy is a male, or male used for male or boy or man. Then we see fourth, she. She is also pronoun, and there is example of she. She is my sister. In this sentence, she is a female. So we say that she is used for a girl or woman or female gender. When the male gender is given in the sentences, we use the pronoun of he, and when the gender of female give in the sentence, we use the pronoun of she. There is a difference between he and she. He is used in male. He is used for male, and she is used for female. Then fifth number of the pronoun is it. It is used for one animal and things. It is used for animals. For example, it is a cat, or we call it is a table, or we also call that for example we say it is a chair. So it is used for one animal or things. Living animals and things are if given in the sentences, we use the pronoun it. 6 number is we. We is used for more than one person. If there is a more person in the sentences, more than one, so in that sentence we use we. For example, we are a good friends. Suppose another sentence, we are a good neighbors. At the time we use we pronoun in the sentence. And last is the 7, they. They pronouns also most important in the English grammar. They is used for more than one person, animals or things. If there is a more than one persons, things, animals in the sentence, at that time we use they pronoun. For example, we give here, they are good friends. They are good friends. Or other example, we are suppose they are bright student. They are bright students. Student also more than one student. In the sentence there are more person, animals, things. At that time we use they pronoun. There are 7 pronoun in the English grammar, and we also explain here. So student, what is meant by pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is take place of noun. There are 7 pronoun in the English grammar. We see I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and the uses of that 7 pronouns I give you here, and I used for myself, and you are used when for singular and plural noun in the sentence. He used for male, boys, if there is a subject is boy or male. At that time he is used as a pronoun. And she is used for girl, woman or female in for noun. And it is for the animals or things. At the time we use the it pronoun in the sentence. And we use for more than one person. At that time we use we. And last is a they. When there is a more person than one person, animals, things, at that time we use the they pronoun in the sentence. I hope student, if you like explanation, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.